When you're going through family issues, a divorce, you really want to get an attorney who specializes in family law. This next segment is sponsored by the Haefner Law Office, and joining me is Mark Haefner. He's a family law attorney. Good afternoon, Mark.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for having me.
Of course, it's always a pleasure to see you. Tell us a little bit more about the Haefner Law Office.
All my firm does is focuses on family law. So 100% family law. We've been doing it. I'm coming up on 20 years now. All I've done is family law. Like to think we're pretty good at it. So what makes us a little bit different than a lot of other places is we have a flat rate system, which allows our clients to kind of know upfront what it's going to cost. At least upfront. You know, if something's going to drag out for years, it's probably going to cost more. But especially for the uncontested dissolutions, things like that, we try and make it as seamless and as painless as possible.
Well, congratulations on almost 2 decades in your career. That's pretty amazing. And I mean, what really sets the Haefner Law Office from other offices in our area?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of great family law attorneys around, and there's some that just aren't. One of the things that I really did, I'm a step parent myself. I've been through a divorce myself. And what I always try and focus on is what would I want if I were the client? So that means we're not going to try and nickel and dime you. If we can settle your case, we're going to do that as soon as we can. We're not going to wait till day of trial to start talking about settlements, things like that. We really try to not run up a bill. I'd rather have 10 very happy clients than 1 unhappy client and get the same amount of money. So.
Well, taking care of your clients in the best way you know how. And summer is coming up, which can usually mean vacations or summer, splitting up those kiddos between the parents. What advice can you give your viewers who may have questions about this?
Absolutely. So summer vacation, one of the things that I have to spend a sad amount of time doing is explaining to my clients and other people, these are not just your kids. These are kids you had with someone else. And if they want to do, let's say, a 10-day cruise, a lot of times that's going to bleed over into somebody else's time. And it shocks me how many people say, no, you can't take my kids over this because it's my time. Remember, this is, you know, I don't know about you, growing up, the family vacations are what I remember, and you are really robbing your children of that if you don't let them go. So one of the things you want to do is try and communicate with your ex, say, you know, I understand you want to do this, it's going to go over some of my days, can I maybe get some makeup time? But don't necessarily make it contingent on the makeup time. The other thing you want to do is if you're traveling out of the country, a lot of times you need both parents, divorced or not, need to show up and get a passport at the same time. And a lot of times you need a notarized letter before you leave the country with the children. So you really need to plan ahead, work with your ex, and remember you're doing this for the kids and they're doing this for the kids. It doesn't need to be the fight that it often is. And you shouldn't ransom them, well, I'm going to do this only if I get my days or XYZ. This is for your children, and just keep that in the forefront of your mind. Plus, the judges really hate when the kids miss out on something because someone's being, in their view, petty.
I was thinking petty just now.
Yeah, no, they'll be the first one. The judge will be the first ones to call that out. So just make sure that your kids can go with the other parent, and if you want to do something, communicate with the other parent as soon as possible. You know, if you booked a cruise in January and you're not telling them till 2 weeks before the cruise starts, that's going to be a problem. If you let the other parent know, and we can identify problems then, and maybe even take it to the judge and say, what do you want to do? And the judge is almost always going to say, the kids are going on the vacation. I might order makeup time or something like that. But communication is absolute key. I recommend doing it in writing so that way no one says, oh, I didn't know about this, and but they've talked about it, you know, for months. So do it in writing. Make sure you get the passports in order. Don't withhold passports. And just, you know, really focus on making this a good experience for the kids.
Well, you just gave us so many great tips, especially with summer right around the corner. My biggest takeaways, don't be petty. It's all about the planning and put the kids first.
Absolutely, and communication.
Communication is key.
Absolutely.
Well, you will be successful if you find yourself in a situation and you're struggling with figuring out what to do with the kids over the summer. If you're separated or divorced or have just been served papers, the Haefner Law Office will absolutely take care of you if you need some assistance. Again, you can find them at flatratedivorces.com. They also have several free documents to fill out, and they will help you decide whether to hire them or not. You can also request a complimentary copy of Mark Haefner's book. It's entitled Exit Strategy. It takes the mystery out of the process and gives in-depth information and tips on the divorce process. Again, you can visit their website, flatratedivorces.com, or give them a call. That number is 314-200-6101. Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. I'll have a lot more of the show.